Hello everyone, so I am going to show you my SC docs. You can see here WordPress folder which is already extracted. I will rename it. So I will name it Pechlern. So its name is Techlearn. So now I will go to the Xampp. So I will stop it and restart it. Okay, both of them, Mysql and Apache. I will close it and I will drop my previous connections. Okay, it is dropped and now I refresh all of it. Now I will come back to my localhost. So here I'm going to write it. My localhost, the localhost PHP my admin. So here I'm going to drop my previous database because I don't need it, so I drop it and I will create a new one. So its name will be Techlearn and you can follow my steps. It will be easier for you. Now click on create. It is created. Now go to localhost Techlearn. Click on WordPress. Click on continue. Click on let's go. Name your database. It is Techlearn. Username will be root. Enter the password and click submit. So run installation. Now give a site name. It will be Techlearn. Username will be admin. Password will be admin. You can hide it too. It is saying very weak, but you have to confirm it. Now add your email address. Don't check it. Keep it as it is and click on install WordPress. So it is going to install. So now ignore it. You can see success. WordPress has been installed. Thank you. Enjoy. So your username is here admin. You can log in anytime. So click on remember me. It will save your password and your username for login. Now it's ready. So ignore it and go to localhost. Localhost. Click on take right here. Techlearn. And click OK. Click on WordPress and you are done. Here you can see there is hello world and everything else is perfect. So it is showing here the supported things, your website name, your title is here, and you can type any title. It is not necessary to type same name as your database name. It is not necessary. You can change it anytime. So you can see my previous videos in which I have posted how I start the how I start this installation process, and through htdocs, and I saved it over there. And now I'll show you here. I will show you that your password and everything is stored in this file, wp config file. You will see it after installation process. So now I'm going back to my website. So when you see this hello world message, you are done with your installation process. It says that welcome to WordPress. So if you want to get more videos like this, you can see my videos on my YouTube channel. You can ask me anything and comment below to know more, and to you have any queries, you can ask me below. Thank you very much. Good luck. Bye.